In this video, we will learn Chime Card Credit Builder tutorial. The Chime Credit Builder is a tool that is very helpful and helps you improve your credit score. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to use it. First, try to get approved for the Chime Credit Builder card. The eligibility is, you need to be a Chime member with an active Chime checking account to qualify for the Credit Builder. You also need to be over 18. Then, apply for the credit card in the Chime app or online. Apply for the Credit Builder card. The card does not require a credit check or security deposit to open, which makes it an accessible option for many users. Second, fund your Credit Builder account. Load funds. Unlike traditional credit cards, the Chime Credit Builder works by using your own money. You need to fund the card through your Chime checking account. How to fund. To fund your card, you will transfer money from your Chime checking account to the Credit Builder account. However, this account does have a credit limit. Next, make purchases with the card. Once your card is fully funded, it can be used like a regular debit or credit card for everyday purchases, such as groceries, gas, or bills. It's always important to have the funds there to make sure you're able to pay off the balance by the due date. Next, you can use automatic payments. Bill your time. Chime reports your payment to 3 major credit bureaus. You can automatically set up payments from your credit card balance, which can help ensure you will never miss a due date. Next, check your progress. Monitor your credit in the Chime app. You can keep track of all your credit scores and see how you're spending your money and your time. Finally, no fees or interest. No interest, since you are essentially using your own funds like a traditional debit card, so you will not incur any interest charges, and there are also no fees. Chime Credit Builder does not charge annual fees, late fees, or other standard fees often associated with credit cards, which makes it a very affordable option for people who are trying to build credit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.